Hello, kids! Welcome to another reading practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Again. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Good reading. Now, listen carefully and read with me slowly. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Very good. Amazing job so far, kids. Like and subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Let's continue reading. Me, ma, mu, mi, mo. Amazing. Mi, mu, ma, mo, me. Good job. Now, let's do a different rotation. Mo, mu, me, ma, mi. Good reading. Mu, mo, mi, me, ma. Awesome! Let's read again. Fast. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Me, ma, mu, mi, mo. Mi, mu, ma, mo, me. Mo, mu, me, ma, mi. Mu, mo, mi, me, ma. Mahusay! Very good! It's time to go back to the start. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. One more time together. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Great job, kids! Thank you for today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. See you in the next episode.